welcome back to our channel. Today we are reviewing a punching bag. We already have one, so this is our second one. We absolutely love it, so I highly recommend you guys to get it.
And it's not for babies.
It's not for babies, it is for kids, even teenagers, and I highly recommend you guys to have one of those because it's just perfect to teach them how to fight, how to kick, how to punch, because we want our kids to be able to defend themselves. So first we have to remove it from the box, and then we have to put some water on the bottom. So we have to fill it up with water just on the bottom.
It's not so good.
We filled it up with water. See, the water's there. Check for leaks if it's not leaking, because our previous one leaked. However, we contacted Amazon and they sent us immediately the new one. So this one is totally fine, and their customer service was just great. Now we have to blow it up. All right. We're gonna put a link below so you can totally go and check it out. We highly recommend it.
And just make sure you vacuum the floor so there is nothing on the floor that can puncture it.
This is a really amazing thing for the kids. It is light. You can move it from room to room. Now it's Maxi's turn, Nelly. Now it's Maxi's turn. Okay, my daughter is about 46 inches tall. My son is, oh wait, take it easy guys. My son is about what, 36? Oh. Well, they're having a lot of fun. You give your kids first martial arts classes, karate classes. They're gonna play with it, they're gonna have fun with it. Even when they push it, they get used to it. I think this is an amazing thing. Aim here, Nelly, punch.
Please subscribe our channel. Thank you guys for watching.
Okay, thank you guys for watching.